Hi, my name's Alex from The Tool Connection. Welcome to this week's episode of Stay Connected. Let's take a look at some of the tools we're going to feature in this week's episode. First, we're going to look at these Anti-Zap Protectors. Need to remove a HGV wheel stud? We'll show you how. Struggling to see those dents? Not anymore with this PDR board from Power-TEC. Wait no more with these handy wheel weight pliers. Accurate brake pipe bending with this nifty former. Let's get straight on with the show. The first products we're going to look at this week are these Anti-Zap Protectors. Let's go take a look, see how they work. These are our Anti-Zap Protectors. They're designed to protect the vehicle's electronics when jump starting and welding. Simply connect to the battery across the terminals. When the green light shows, the system is protected. If the red light shows, it means you've connected the terminals the wrong way round. Also available is part number 7824, which is suitable for both 24 volt and 12 volt vehicles. And now for our segment, What's New from Big Blue?
What's new from Big Blue?
In this week's What's New from Big Blue, we're going to be showing you our brand new wheel stud service kit for HGVs. This is a heavy-duty press kit designed to make it easy to remove wheel studs from HGV hubs. The tool is designed to be used with an impact gun and can also be used to reinstall the studs. This is a real time saver in the HGV workshop. To see it in action, check out the video link in the description. Paintless dent removal, great way of removing small dents from damaged panels. However, sometimes it's difficult to see the dent, let alone repair it. This PDR line board, when reflected on the panel, will show up every little dent and ripple. Let me give you a demonstration. There is a small dent on this panel just here, but we can barely see it. With the line board in place, we can clearly see in its reflection any dents on the panel. For paintless dent removal, this is a great must-have tool. And one last thing, it easily collapses down so it can be stored inside of its bag. Next up, we're going to look at these handy wheel weight pliers. These make it really easy to remove self-adhesive weights from alloy wheels. Adjust the pliers to suit the weight and simply lever off. Use the reverse of the pliers to secure the weight. Also available, traditional type pliers for clip-on weights. And remember, a full range of wheel weights are available from Connect Workshop Consumables. For the final tool of this week, we have this brake pipe former. If you try to manually bend a brake pipe, it will kink. Using the brake pipe former, we get a very smooth curve without any kinks. This demonstrates by using the twin channels on the former, you can accurately match the bend. That's all we got time for this episode, so as always, stay connected and stay safe.